What is up guys, my name is Aditya and you have tuned into Channel ACube. In this series, I'll be showing you how I have used the Google suite of devices to transform my place into a smart home. Let's get into it right away. So in this installment of the series, I'll be showing you the Google Home Mini, how it is set up and its basic functionality. I will also share my 5 most favorite commands that I use most often on the Google Home Mini. This is the first generation Mini and I happen to have 2 more devices that I've been using for the past 3 years. Setting up the device is pretty straightforward. We give it a power connection and the device indicates that it's ready to connect with a set of blue lights. We can then open the Google Home app and follow the on-screen instructions. I'm going to name this device the Studio Speaker and add it to my studio under Rooms. Great, the setup is now done. However, the speaker only stays smart until it has an active Wi-Fi connection. Without internet, it's just a standalone Bluetooth speaker. The Mini has one switch on the side that can be used to mute the device, and it has a hidden button at the bottom that can be used to reset the device. It also responds to touch on either side of the device, which we can use to control the volume. A long touch on the side will pause any media that's playing from the device. Now, here are the top 5 commands that I use with my Google Home Mini. Let's start with number 5. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 1:51 a.m.
Now this is a very basic command that I've used extensively while gaming. My studio does not have a wall clock and I don't like taking my eyes off the screen when I'm gaming. So a simple command and Google tells me the time. Number 4. The broadcast. To better demonstrate this command, I'm going to bring another Google Home Mini into the frame and mute the mic so that only one device picks up my command. The idea here is to create a broadcast channel or an intercom between all the Google Home devices that you have set up in your home. So if I have one device in my studio and the other in the kitchen, I can say, Hey Google, broadcast. I need the scissors from the kitchen. And it would do this.
Okay, broadcasting now.
I need scissors from the kitchen. So, if there's anyone in the kitchen, they will hear me and get me the scissors. Number 3. The alarm. Hey Google, set an alarm for 6 a.m.
Done. Your alarm's set for 6 a.m.
Well, this is pretty straightforward. I use it most with the Mini that I have installed in my bedroom to set up alarms when I'm already in bed and don't want to fiddle around with my phone. Number 2. Hey Google, play ACube Tech videos on Studio TV. Now, this command will only work if you have a smart TV or if you have Chromecast linked up with your ordinary TV. I'm going to make a whole separate video on it, so make sure you subscribe to ensure you don't miss that out. Number 1 and my most used command. Hey Google, turn off the lights. Hey Google, switch on the lights. Isn't that amazing? You can practically control any electronic device that is there with your Google Home. All it requires is a simple Wi-Fi switch to be synced up with your Google account. Now there's a lot that I can go into detail about the last 2 commands with the Chromecast and the Wi-Fi switch. The setup, its functionality, and all its other features that can mesh everything together. This series is going to have a few more parts that I'll be releasing over the next couple of days. I will explain with step-by-step instructions how to set up the Google Chromecast and the Wi-Fi switch. I'll also review the 2 type of Wi-Fi switches that I've been using with my Google Home devices. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss those videos. Hey Google, thank my audience.
Thank you for watching my videos. See you guys in the next one.